Welcome to the Train Detection Lab. This lab consists of various types of digital axle counters and train protection equipments. Digital axle counters training models. Single section digital axle counter CEL 710P. Single section digital axle counter G-Tronics G36. Single section digital axle counter Medha MAC 180. Single section digital axle counter Eldine AZLS. High availability single section digital axle counter CEL. High availability single section digital axle counter G-Tronics G36R. Dual detection digital axle counter G-Tronics G36 and CEL 710P. Multi-section digital axle counter Eldine AZLM. Multi-section digital axle counter Froscher ACS 2000. Multi-section digital axle counter Siemens AZS 350U. Multi-section digital axle counter Froscher FADC. Train protection warning system Hitachi. Train protection warning system Siemens. Briefing of TD lab equipments. CEL SSDAC 710P. It is a single section digital axle counter manufactured by Central Electronics Limited. Single section digital axle counter SSDAC is a microprocessor based embedded system which counts the axles of trains when they pass over the detection point. This axle counting system is used for proving of a section of railway track. That is, SSDAC provides the status of railway track section whether it is clear or occupied. This system monitors very long track sections in RE area as well as non-RE area. Last vehicle check is done automatically. No effects due to ballast resistance. Error-free operation over large temperature range. Train detection on rusted, sanded and waterlogged rails also. It is immune to traction return currents. G-Tronics SSDAC G36. It is a single section digital axle counter SSDAC G36 manufactured by G-Tronics Limited. This is a fail-safe 2 out of 2 microcontroller based axle counting system for section proving in railways. It can be configured to various versions using foolproof method, thus prevents wrong configuration at site, ensures highest degree of safety. Operating mode like preparatory, clear and occupied, configuration status, wheel counts and error messages are constantly displayed on the system LCD status panel and interactive reset box. This system is useful in waterlogging area and monitors lengthy track section approximately 25 km. Normally used in block sections, station section, loop lines, siding, etc. Medha SSDAC MAC 180. It is a single section digital axle counter SSDAC MAC 180 manufactured by Medha Servo Drive Private Limited. It overcomes track circuit limitations in situations including waterlogging or flooding, metal bridges, long block sections, yards with poor wheel shunt lines, high EMI EMC environments, tunnels, high temperature and sunshine regions, complex and large stations and yards, etc. 2 out of 2 architecture counts and compares the number of axles entering and exiting the section and establishes as if the last car has cleared that section. System is interfaced to provide section occupancy information based on which signaling system controls safe movement of trains. Advantages for clients: stand-alone systems, non-dependent on type and make of interlocking, easy to install without needing any additional equipment, low life cycle cost, zero maintenance systems, MTBF more than 20 years, extensive diagnostic features. Eldine SSDAC AZLS. It is a single section digital Excel counter SSDAC AZLS manufactured by Eldine Electro System Private Limited. The AZLS system consists of at least two detection points, both installed on the same rail. A separate evaluator is not required. The AZLS contains a 2/2 vital microprocessor system to count the axles, establish the track occupancy and provide the information to the block or the interlocking equipment. Siemens MSDAC AZS 350U. It is a multi-section digital Excel counter AZS 350U equipment manufactured by Siemens Limited. The AZS 350U Excel counting system from Siemens offers a high level of availability, automatic track vacancy detection system per point, crossing intersections or track sections are imperative for safe railway operations. Track vacancies detection system benefits configuration, functional scope, system structure design. Outdoor equipment are counting head, trackside connection box. Indoor equipments are cabinet variants, circuit boards, power supply arrangement. Application: it can be used in block sections, station section and automatic signaling sections. Eldine MSDAC AZLM. It is a multi-section digital Excel counter MSDAC AZLM manufactured by Eldine Electro System Private Limited. The AZLM is a vital Excel counter equipment for multiple track sections containing 2/2 microcontrollers to count axles, establish the track occupancy of a track section and provide this information to the block of the interlocking equipment. The AZLM consisting double rail contact SK mounted on rail and an electronic unit EAK contained in the trackside housing is positioned at each end of track section to be supervised. Each AZLM provides fail-safe train detection information for associated block or interlocking equipment. The Excel Counter Evaluator ACE evaluates the data from the EAK at each end of the associated track section and determines whether the track section is occupied or clear by assigning the counts to the section. Signaling relays are operated by the ACE to indicate section occupied or section clear. Froscher MSDAC ACS 2000. It is a multi-section digital Excel counter ACS 2000 manufactured by Froscher Sensor Technology India Private Limited. This Excel counting system is used for the safe monitoring of a track section. The clear and occupied status are output by the voltage-free relay contacts. The Excel counting board's ACB is able to evaluate counting head information provided by up to 6 independent evaluation boards. For adjacent track sections, the counting head can be doubled at the separation. Advantages: vital clear or occupied indication, very low errors. Froscher MSDAC FADC. It is a multi-section digital Excel counter FADC manufactured by Froscher Sensor Technology India Private Limited. The wheel detection system with current sensing technology is used in this digital axle counter. A special feature is the flexible software interface, which can be extended by a hardware interface. This system have diagnostic features and software-based configuration, hence network management system of digital axle counter system is also feasible from fault control room. Train protection and warning system. This system assures higher level of safety during train operation. It allows safe movement of trains under supervision. It enables automatic train protection and prevents collision-like situation. It facilitates to run the train at maximum permitted speed by providing the indication to the driver in advance of signal and higher average speed of train. The entire system provides assistance to the driver and can be called as an aid to the driver. TPWS basically consists of cab equipment and trackside equipment. The cab equipment further consists of the following units: onboard computer, ballast transmission module, BTM antenna, simplified driver machine interface, wheel sensors, brake interface, head indication panel cum emergency brake counter, audio buzzer unit and isolation switch. Trackside equipment further consists of line side electronic unit, switchable ballast, infill ballasts, fixed ballast. Working principle: it is a microprocessor based 2 out of 2 architecture systems. Works in conjunction with the onboard cab equipment and the trackside line equipment. Trackside data, that is, information of the signaling aspect, is transmitted to the onboard cab equipment via ballast. We have 2 lab model of TPWS. One is manufactured by Siemens and another TPWS is manufactured by Hitachi.